Hello, my name's Lorraine Marshall and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, where we look at digital products and review launches of digital products. So today we're looking at a digital product which is Ridgee. Ridgee is a software that is automating Instagram posts and helps with Instagram comments, automates the comments, and also you can drive traffic to your posts. So any type of niche that you're looking at for affiliate links and other websites, you can drive traffic from inside of the software to your posts. So anyway, to start off, we'll have a look at the inside of the dashboard. Then we take a look at the sales page and what the product creators are saying about the product. And then we can take a look at my bonus page, where you will be able to purchase Ridgee through the links on my page. There is also a video there where you can see a full demo. There is no sound on this demonstration video, but it just takes you inside of the dashboard and it shows you like how easy it is to use. All right, so now we'll just pop over to have a look at the dashboard. Right, so here we are inside of the dashboard. And you can see that we've got along this side, you've got all of the Instagram posts, your post calendar, your templates for replies, your comment templates, creating a campaign and a campaign report. I haven't integrated my own Facebook account and Instagram account because this is just a demonstration software. But obviously, that's where you would start. You wouldn't start by importing your Facebook, Instagram account. You would have to log in and import your account. Then you would have your Instagram posts, and here would all your Instagram posts would show up in a list. Then you've got your post calendar, and then you would be able to schedule different posts, different days, every day of the week if you want. And here is where you would put your replies, so people who message in your replies, and then instant and automatic comments at the side here. So this is just a quick brief overview of what the dashboard looks like. And so now what we can do is go over to the JV page. We'll have a quick look at that. And there is a short video on there that talks about this, the product Ridgee. We'll have a look at the sales page. Basically, the creators are claiming it's the world's first revolutionary Instagram marketing automation, and it's an app for a low one-time price because of, obviously it's launching. It's first to market. It's instant to tap into. It's automating all your Instagram campaigns. You can instantly tap into 85% of buy-ready overall internet traffic. You can drive real buyers, perfect for beginners. You can get started easily, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee on everything. So obviously the price increases every 60 minutes or so, and there's a countdown timer here that tells you when the price will increase. So it shoots up again every 30 minutes. So basically every 30 minutes the price will be increasing. So if you're wanting to purchase an automated software and app that will automate all of your Instagram, then you best not delay it, otherwise you'll find the price has gone up. Hello, and this is the my bonus page, which we'll have a quick look at. All of these buttons here, you'll be able to click there and purchase Ridgee through my link. And the link for this page will be in the description below this video. So this is a world's first, like I said, it's the Instagram marketing, it's automation for Instagram, and it's going to be on at a low one-time price, where the price is going to increase every 30 minutes. It's newbie friendly. It's a first to market Instagram marketing automation technology. You can automate all your campaigns, instantly tap into 85% of buyer ready internet traffic, and it's perfect for beginners. You don't need to really have any tech abilities, and it's easy to use. Never seen before technology that'll help your marketers in cutting down on posting in Instagram, automate everything. You can do everything in advance. And listen, it's 3 easy steps: log in, create the campaign, and drive traffic. So, it seems quite easy to do. So here's some of the benefits. One-click, ultra-fast Instagram marketing automation app, limitless and adding multiple Instagram accounts. You can drive laser-targeted traffic from Instagram hands-free. There's also the money-back guarantee. So what bonuses am I adding with this? So we've got bonus 1, which is a tutorial, how to get unique content on your pages. So get instant content for free. My bonus 2 is 5-figure freedom. Again, that is a great product. Third bonus is free traffic frenzy. It's a PDF. You can easily go through that. Obviously, any website and store or affiliate marketer will always need traffic. So these are great bonuses. And this one is Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. And I think this is a great little addition that goes with this Instagram software app. What we have, this is the dashboard. This is the JV, this is the sales page. And the sales page, so now that we've clicked through onto the sales page, you can see now that in the checkout, you've got the item there at $12. Crossed out $297, $12 is the price of the front end on this one. So again, a great bargain one time that you can purchase this automated software for $12. And don't forget that the bonus page link will be in the description below this video, and you just need to click on any of these large buttons here to go through to the sales page of Ridgee. Okay, thank you. That's all I have today.